How our factory produces hyaluronic acid heroes?
Founded in 2003, the factory Alma currently covers an area of over 4,800 square meters, with 3 production lines and a top 100 level GMP pharmaceutical production workshop. So the monthly production capacity can reach 500,000 pieces of sodium hyaluronic gel series products. We are one of the first factories to produce sodium hyaluronic gel in the world, with the top 100 level GMP pharmaceutical production workshop and more than 1,000 mature formulas. We have successfully provided OEM and ODM service to over 453 customers. The raw material of hyaluronic acid was imported from USA, which costs $45,000 per kilogram. All of our products quality will be strictly according to FDA and EDQM regulations. We have the most advanced production equipment imported from Europe countries, such as automatic vacuum filling and stock clean machine from Germany Ultimo, two-door cabinet type sterilizer from Sweden Getty, elegant Hosea UV, Simeju GC, Moven Real and so on.
Amaco Limited offers different types of dermal fillers which can last 9 to 24 months according to our 21 years client feedback. Feel free to contact us if you need OEM service.
Raw beauty, raw strength.